Hey, happy Friday, everybody. Sean coming at you from High Level. So this is an awesome, super exciting announcement. It is a private beta, so I'm just going to warn you right out of the gate that you have to sign up for the private beta. And the whole point of the private beta is, and by the way, this is kind of a new thing for me as well, but I respect it. The team, we used to throw everything at labs right away. We would sort of say to all of you, like, hey, if you want to use it, go into labs. And the problem with that is that a lot of people would turn on in labs and they're going to be missing things or things we didn't quite get right. And so this is like another sort of way for us to sort of gate this stuff off and to allow just the like people who are like, I'm super crazy, extreme, want to try this out, to make sure we get it super dialed in and right before we take it to labs, if that makes sense. So it's sort of like private beta, labs, and then live to everybody. And it's not like that for everything, but we tend to do that for like really big, important things like this. And this, ladies and gentlemen, what is it? It is events. That's right. It is a brand new events management platform. You can create events and ticket events and sell tickets and check people in and all kinds of crazy stuff, like all the things that you can think of for running events, have registration pages and things, and bill people and upgrades. And see, look at this, like, and then you can like see all the registrations, and like you can have like, you know, different, like you can see right here, like you can have adults with kids and they can come to things. And what type of events are we talking about? You name it, right? It could be like in-person events, digital events. It could be like rock concerts. It could be running events. It could be masterminds. It could be all the things, right? And then also there's a check-in app, obviously. So if I show up at the door, I have my QR code, you can check me in. So there's on and on and on. There's all these cool things that are in here that you can do. And this is amazing. There's so much in here. And the cool thing is the team actually has spent a lot of time working with various of our customers who have events and run events and use other systems to do it, to make sure we kind of had this out, at least in this version, the way it should be. And this is kind of like a video of kind of some of the screenshots I just sent you, but you can basically go in and edit details and all the cool stuff. Yeah, anyways, I don't think there's anything radical here that I haven't shown you, but all that to say, let me pause this sucker. And then let me just go back to a screenshot. Okay, so now if we roll down on this right-hand side here and you pause up, bloop, okay, and you can see all the stuff that is over there and read all about it, which is great. So now how to access the private beta, that's the most important thing for some of you. Access enabled for select accounts, blah, blah, blah. There is a form you have to fill out. Where is that silly form? I'm gonna find that form, but I'm gonna put that form on the Facebook post. So if you're interested, fill it out, and some of you will be let into the private beta. I don't know how any of this works, so you can just talk to the team member and the team if you want to know what's up. But this is super exciting, phenomenal. Love that the team made this happen. I think it's going to just be crushing it. So anyways, on that note, I hope all of you are having an amazing Friday, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.